Welcome to this detailed walkthrough of BitMining, one of the most popular platforms for cryptocurrency mining. In this video, we'll dive deep into how BitMining operates, what makes it unique, and how you can leverage its advanced features to maximize your mining efforts. BitMining has gained a reputation for being user-friendly while providing robust tools that cater to both beginners and seasoned miners. Whether you're looking to mine Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies, BitMining offers a seamless experience, complete with powerful analytics and real-time monitoring. The platform is designed to make crypto mining accessible to everyone. Upon logging in, you are greeted with an intuitive dashboard that displays all your critical data, from mining statistics to current market trends. This ease of use is one of the reasons BitMining is favored by many in the crypto community. The site also provides a variety of mining pools, allowing you to choose the one that best aligns with your goals. Joining a pool enhances your chances of earning consistent payouts, as the combined efforts of the pool participants increase overall mining efficiency. Security is a top priority for BitMining. The platform employs state-of-the-art encryption technologies to ensure your data and assets are always protected. Furthermore, BitMining provides detailed guidance and support, helping users optimize their mining setups for maximum profitability. The site supports a variety of devices, so whether you prefer mining with a high-performance rig or through cloud services, you'll find what you need. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Another standout feature of BitMining is its transparent fee structure. You always know what costs are involved, ensuring that there are no surprises when payouts come in. The platform provides an in-depth profitability calculator, enabling you to estimate your potential earnings based on your setup and market conditions. This transparency builds trust and helps users make informed decisions about their mining strategies. Lastly, BitMining supports multiple cryptocurrencies, giving you the flexibility to mine the coins that align with your financial goals. With regular updates and an active community, BitMining continues to evolve, ensuring it meets the needs of modern crypto miners. The support team is also highly responsive, addressing any concerns swiftly and effectively. Don't miss out on this incredible platform. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss valuable content like this.